Welcome to Networking Arizona with host Carol Blonder. You'll hear interviews with businesses located throughout the valley. Networking, it makes a difference.
Welcome to the show, everyone. I am so excited today because we're networking today with all newbies, all new people. This is going to be really fun. So if all of you know, I've made it possible for you to talk about yourself on the radio. So if you want to get on the air with me, just call us here at 602-277-5369. We'll get you hooked up with me, and we'll get you on Networking Arizona. So I'm going to go right in with my first guest. I'm very excited about bringing him on. We just heard his commercial. We have with me right now Dr. Jim Kelly, and he's the owner of Dr. Jim Kelly Dentistry. Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you, Carol. It's a pleasure being here with your listening audience. Thanks for having me.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do, because you do some things that are very different.
Yes, I do. Well, I've been practicing dentistry for over 30 years, so I've been around a long time doing this stuff. And over that period of time, I've always tried to distinguish myself from other dentists, to set myself apart in some way. And a lot of exciting things have happened, and a lot of changes in the last 30 plus years in dentistry, technology-wise. But then some things changed that didn't really need to change. And one of those was when I was a kid, the relationship-based type of dentistry started becoming more insurance-driven, corporate approach. The way I present my dentistry in the past few years is more of a concierge style. You'll see an incredible difference when you walk into my office. It's not like a conventional office. We have a front desk lady, one assistant, and me. I operate out of one chair. So one thing you'll never, I shouldn't say never, but we're usually running pretty on time because we don't double book. Your appointment.
Thank you.
Yeah, your appointment is your appointment, and it's just a beautiful office. The whole vibe is just very, very lovely.
And I heard on your ad that you do one chair, so it's obviously very personable.
Yes, it is.
One-on-one.
I'm a talker. I like to talk with people. And my lovely wife, Sherry, who's with me in the studio today, she's there primarily to keep me on track. She's in between everything, moving things around.
And that's what makes our practice so different, is that it is small and you're not herded in like cattle, and you're treated just like the person that you are.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, you're located where?
I'm located at the just about off the northeast corner of Thomas Road and 44th.
44th Street.
44th Street. 44th Street. The address it's in Phoenix.
Well, let me ask you this, okay? Because you say that you do things quite differently. There's some of the things that we're going to talk about that I'm very excited about, talking about. But also, you have a giveaway that's awesome. And I want to talk about that right away so I can enter everybody in to win this, okay? Wait, we're going to open up the lines to the audience so everyone can call in and start getting this, okay? Everyone's getting entered in to win. It is a free laser whitening. Now, what is that?
The laser whitening is probably the newest and most efficient way to enhance the brightness of your smile. Bleaching's been around, whitening techniques have been around for years now, but the laser, we can do it quicker, more efficiently, and usually get you up to about 3 shades.
And what's really exciting about the laser is that there's no sensitivity, little to none. So, most people that have had the whitening done, they have things called zingers. So with the laser, there's none of that. It's quicker, it's faster, and it's better.
No zingers with lasers.
No zingers with lasers.
And here's what you have something else that goes along with this, and this is an antioxidant oral care system. What's that?
That's the Perio Science system. It's remarkable because it's all natural components. We searched out the product, and my wife is, by her profession, a massage therapist and aromatherapist, and this has essential oils.
The essential oil is a highly antioxidant, and I don't know which one we brought you. We have hydrating, we have white care, we have several different kinds in the office. But and it also comes with a gel that is for gum health.
Oh my God!
So a lot of the problems in our mouths can start with the gums. So it's a total home health care kit.
So not only you're going to get, now this is an in-office laser whitening. It's not
Correct.
something that they take home. Also, this is the antioxidant oral care system. This comes with a Pro Rinse, a Pro Toothpaste, and a Pro Vantage Gel.
Yes.
So that's a $425 value free to you guys out there. Everyone's getting entered in to win. Our number here, 602-277-5369, and toll free it's 1-866-536-1100. And I'm going to let everyone call throughout the rest of the show for it. Now, that you can check him out on his website. It's Dr. Kelly, which is Kelly, DDS.com. You can also call their office direct at 602-954-1901. Call in here. You want to look beautiful for the holidays. Give us a call here, 602-277-5369, and toll free it's 1-866-536-1100. So let's go into your type of laser dentistry because it's not typical.
No, the laser in dentistry has been available since 1989, so it's nothing new, the laser. But what is new, the capacity to cut more than soft tissue. You can operate on bone and tooth structure. But the beauty about the operating that way is that I'd say upwards of 95% of the time, we do not have to use an injection. It's not a drill because we're using focused light energy, and there is no postoperative discomfort, quicker healing.
No shot, no drill, no pain.
No,
Yeah.
oh, I love
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And that's probably the number reason why people do not go to the dentist.
I'm glad you mentioned that because probably the top 3 reasons people fear the dentist, fear of the injection, fear of the drill, and fear of the pain.
Now, this water laser, what's that? Water laze.
The water laze is a phenomenal product. It's a BioLaze. I am an associate fellow of the World Clinical Laser Institute. I received advanced training through BioLaze on the use of the water laze, and what it is, it's an erbium laser. Without getting too technical, yeah, but the protocols that have been developed. It's been worked on for the last 30 plus years. They got these protocols together, and we can address, we can do root canals, we can do, the reason I purchased the laser is because of its minimally invasive capacity. We like to keep things simple. That's why I call it,
Zen Mobile Dentistry.
Zen Mobile Dentistry, which we'll talk about in a little bit.
I'm going to let you do that now. Our lines are open here. Everyone's getting entered into win an in-office free laser whitening and the antioxidant oral care system. It comes with the rinse, the toothpaste, and the Vantage Gel, which that starts with our gums, guys. That everyone should have that. And if it's not you that you think you need it, give it to someone you know. Our number here, 602-277-5369, and toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. Before we go to a break, I do want to talk to you about talk to us about the Zen Mobile Dentistry.
Zen Mobile Dentistry. I've been doing mobile dentistry now for the last 2 years. It's something I just kind of fell into. From the East Coast, when I moved out here to start my practice, continue my practice here, everybody was off. The offices are closed on Fridays out here. Back east, we work Monday through
Arizona.
Saturday.
Yeah.
So to fill my time on Fridays, I pursued mobile dentistry.
How mobile are you?
Very mobile. We could come right in here and set up in a small space like this studio and do it.
Do you? I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I was going to say what's really awesome about it is we can go into your office, into your home, or anywhere, any place that we can fit. It's a 10 by 10 square, so we're very mobile.
Now, are you valley wide with that?
Yes, I've actually traveled as far south as Sierra Vista and as far north as Prescott, Sedona, Cottonwood.
You got to check him out. We're going to go to a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk further about all of the things that he can help us with. Again, our number here is 602-277-5369. Get entered in to win the in-office free laser whitening along with the antioxidant oral care system. And you can check him out at drkellydds.com.
If I gave it all away for
So we're talking here with Dr. Jim Kelly, and our lines are open here. We have everyone's getting entered in to win a free in-office laser whitening. This is totally different than an in-home thing that you can ever do on your own. And she said there's no zings to it. That's another thing that's important about this. And along with everyone's getting entered in to win, this is an antioxidant oral care system. This comes with an oral rinse. It comes with a Pro toothpaste and a Pro Vantage gel, which she said everything starts with the gums. That's what the gel's for. This is a $425 value free to you or someone you know. Our number here, 602-277-5369, and toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. I'm going to let everyone call throughout the rest of the show for all these great things today. Now, we were talking a little bit about your Zen mobile dentistry.
Yes.
And this is awesome because you can basically go anywhere and go into someone's office, and you can do the laser there too?
Yes, absolutely. The laser is totally mobile.
So that means that you can actually be in your own home or your own office or wherever you want to get your dentistry done, and that's minimally invasive, correct?
Yes, it is. And one thing that's kind of cool with bridal showers, we can go in and have bleaching parties, things like that.
So that's really
with
fun.
the laser. But like I said, the main reason I bought the laser, that's the real fun part of it. But the other thing was, and you mentioned it all starts with the gums when you were talking about this, was because it's an excellent instrument to use for the non-surgical treatment of the gums.
Well, what's great is because you don't have to have the shot, and you can do the laser surgery. It is laser surgery, but without the scalpel and without the stitches. So there's a
Correct.
faster healing time, less pain, all that stuff that goes along with it, not wanting to go to the dentist. So the laser really makes it a lot more user-friendly.
Now, when you have, you call yourself a concierge dentist.
Yes.
So it's by appointment only,
Yes.
right? And you
Yes.
come in, they come in. What do they expect when they come in?
When they come in, they'll notice quite a different style, very low key, like you're in your living room at home. Except we have a beautiful. We're on the 6th floor of the Concord building, and we have a stunning view of Camelback Mountain out of my main operatory.
Out of all the operatories, out of the hygiene room and the main operatory, yes.
Yeah, of downtown, midtown, uptown. Sometimes our guests love to just stop by, just hang out and check out the view.
But in any case, so when you're working with someone, you use it. For anyone that didn't hear, it's one patient at a time.
Right, one patient. Yeah, I come from a world back east where I was on roller skates, but I'm not really good at roller skating. And this is so much more of what I love to do about dentistry. I love to engage with people. I have a passion to do what I do, but I really love the one-on-one interaction with people. And you can't really do that when you're running 2-3 chairs at a time.
Well, there's something else that you do that's really neat too, and this is called neuromuscular dentistry. What is that?
Neuromuscular dentistry has been around for over 50 years. It was started by Bernard Jenkelson in the 60s. And what it does, it addresses the harmony that should exist between the jaw, the muscles of the jaw, the bone of the jaw, and the joint, that whole apparatus, and the way it should come together in harmony with the teeth.
And what people don't realize, a lot of times they have like chronic neck pain, back pain, and it's all because of the misalignment between the jaw and the teeth and all of that, how that works together. So if you can get that together to close correctly, which he can fix, you get rid of all of that.
And
pain.
Carol, the way we do it in a simplistic overview is we when patients are presenting with symptoms, now we're talking about people that have been in chronic pain for most of their lives. They've exhausted every other measure, surgery, narcotic pain medications. They've been to every other specialist. No one's looked at the relationship between the jaw joint, the muscle, and the teeth. When they, and I'm talking about people who have gotten to the verge with, especially with the migraines, almost suicidal.
So would this be considered TMJ or no?
Yeah, TMJ,
So
is
basically,
TMJ is one of the symptoms brought about by this disharmony. And what we do to restore the harmony, we use a transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulating device.
wow, I'm glad you said it, not me.
But it's a TENS unit, and you
Like
can
at a
buy
chiropractor's office or whatnot,
Yeah.
but we use it on the facial and the neck muscles.
Okay.
Yeah, a TENS unit. So basically, we TENS the muscle and the jaw, relax it, and we find the comfort zone. We relax the jaw and the muscle into that comfortable position, and then we maintain that comfortable position by fabricating an orthotic, which is a fixed or removable appliance that's worn in the mouth 24/7, and usually we see a reduction in the symptoms within 2 days to 2 weeks.
Now, you're located, you said, in the Biltmore, Arcadia area. You're in the Concord building. Their phone number direct, it's area code 602-954-1901. The website is Dr. Dr. Kelly, Kelly, DDS.com. And I've got my lines open here for the rest of the show for everyone to get entered in to win the free in-office laser whitening and the antioxidant oral care system. This is with the rinse, the toothpaste, and the gel. And this is a $425 value free to you or anyone you know. Again, our number here, 602-277-5369, and toll free, it's 1-866-536-1100. So let's also go back to the Zen, because you were really into the Zen mobile. I got to talk about that. So that is something that you are passionate about too.
Yes, and the reason the name Zen, it describes the philosophy, which is intuitive simplicity. We like to keep things simple. We like to keep things conservative. And with the aging population, I'm a boomer, and the boomers the silver tsunami is upon us. And I saw a need. A lot of people want to age at home, and although we go into memory care facilities with our mobile dentistries and mobile dentistry, we also go into private residences. A lot of our patients too that have been active with us fall upon ill health and can't come in anymore. So we go to them.
Well, I'll tell you something. Anyone that's listening, if you have a parent that's home or somebody that is bound at home for any reason, this is a perfect solution to have your dentist come to you.
Oh, absolutely. Because that is one of the biggest, the boomer generation was the generation who really took care of their teeth. And the sad situation, as they age out and retire, they lose benefits, insurance benefits, and they lose dexterity for home care. Yeah. They end up, the two major problems with the boomers is maintaining all this fabulous dental work that they've had done in the past. Now, finances and lack of insurance keeps them from doing that.